In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quiz in Jotform. First, log into your Jotform account. Once you're in, look toward the top left of the dashboard and click on the Create or plus Create button. The page will reload and you'll be asked what type of form you want to create. Choose Form. Here, Jotform gives you several options. You can start from scratch, import an existing form, convert a document into a form, collect signatures, or use a template. For this walkthrough, choose Start from Scratch. Next, you'll be asked to pick a layout. Select either a classic form or a card form. I'll go with the classic form, which shows all questions on a single page. Wait for the page to reload and you'll land in the form builder. By default, your new form already includes a header and a submit button. You can customize these by clicking directly on them and typing in your own text. If you see a small pencil icon, you can click that to open more detailed editing options. If you don't need an element, simply select it and click the trash icon to delete it. To rearrange elements, hover over one, grab it using the 6 dots on the right side, then drag and drop it to a new position. Now let's add your quiz questions. On the left panel, click the plus icon to open the Form Elements menu. You'll see different fields you can use for your quiz. For this example, choose a single choice element, then drag it onto your form. Click on the question text, which might say something like type a question, and replace it with your actual quiz question. Below that, you'll see 4 default answer options. You can remove an option by clicking the X icon to its right, or add a new one by clicking Add Option at the bottom of the list. To edit any option, just click directly on the text and type in your answer choices. To assign scores to each answer, select the question element, then click the gear icon to open its settings. A panel will slide in on the right. Go to the Options tab, look for calculation values, and switch it on. Now, assign a value to each choice. For example, set all incorrect answers to 0 and the correct answer to 1, or adjust the values according to your own scoring system. Continue adding more question elements in the same way. For each new question, open its settings, go to the Options tab, enable calculation values, and assign scores to each answer choice. Once all your questions have scores, it's time to calculate the total. Click the plus icon on the left panel again, switch to the Widgets tab, and drag the Form Calculation widget into your form. This widget will total up the scores from your questions. When you select the Form Calculation widget, you'll see its settings. Click Add Field, then choose one of your quiz questions. That question's score will be added to the equation. Click the plus sign, then Add Field again, and select another question. Repeat this process until you've included every scored question in the calculation. Now, when someone takes your quiz and selects the correct answers, the values you assigned will automatically be added together in the Form Calculation widget. Incorrect answers with a value of 0 won't add to the score, so the final total will reflect how many questions they got right based on the scoring system you set up. And that's how you create a working quiz in Jotform, complete with automatic scoring.